Okay guys, so I wanted to show you this ceramic casserole dish that I got. It is a baking pan with handles and I love it. I entertain and host a lot. So this is great for like anything that you would normally put in a casserole dish, lasagnas, pastas, casseroles, whatever. And let me give you a tip for those of you all that like to entertain as much as I do. First off, you could see on the width of that how tall it is. You can make a nice deep casserole. Also, I love these little this little mark or whatever at the bottom. It stands it up just a little bit, so therefore you aren't putting like a super hot pan on your countertop, which is great. That was really thought out nicely. I love that. But let me tell you a little tip I was going to give you. If you are someone that entertains or hosts a lot like I do, get all of your servingware, your dishes in one color. So that way it looks like it's a huge set, no matter if you are buying from multiple sources or not. All of my servingware is white. It all corresponds. It all goes together, and it looks like a really big, expensive set. This is great. It heats up well. It heats evenly. The food, I don't have anything burning or sticking. Excuse me. When I use this, I spray a little nonstick spray in it, and it works out great. So if you're looking for something to add to your kitchen, I would highly suggest this.